Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. I am super excited about today's video because we are doing a little experiment. We're gonna put the no-lye relaxer against the lye relaxer and we're gonna see which one performs best. The main ingredient in no-lye relaxers tends to be calcium hydroxide. No-lye relaxers also tend to have a lower pH. This makes them a little bit milder to use and safer for at-home use. No-lye relaxers are also recommended for people who have sensitive scalp because they are said to cause less scalp irritation. Although no-lye relaxers are milder, because of the main active ingredient, they can cause calcium buildup. No-lye relaxers are designed for at-home use and tend to get your hair straighter than lye relaxers. If you're looking for that bone straight or you don't want any texture behind, the no-lye relaxer might be the system for you. Although this relaxer does have some pros, it can cause dryness because of the active ingredients. You can also experience dull looking hair and less shine because of the active ingredients. And also this relaxer type tends to be harder to rinse out than the lye relaxer. And going forward, to maintain healthy hair with this type of relaxer, you will want to use a chelating shampoo to make sure that you're not leaving calcium deposits behind that can make your hair dry and brittle in the long run. Unlike no-lye relaxers, the main ingredient in lye relaxers is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a strong chemical that breaks down the protein structure of the hair in order to straighten it. Lye relaxers tend to have a stronger pH around 12 to 14, which makes them a bit more potent than the no-lye relaxers. Lye relaxers also penetrate the hair faster than no-lye relaxers, so you'll want to work quickly and keep track of your processing time with these. Some of the pros to lye relaxers are that it does not leave behind the calcium deposits as the no-lye relaxer would because of the main active ingredient. This in turn will make your hair silky, shinier. You'll also be able to retain better moisture levels with this relaxer type. Since the lye relaxer has a stronger formula, you can tend to have more scalp irritation and see more burning with this relaxer. You can also experience more over processing with this relaxer type. Now that I've given you some facts about each relaxer, let's get into the experiment. To do the experiment, I have 2 strands of virgin hair and I'm going to test these strands of virgin hair with the 2 relaxer types that we just talked about. So I'm going to use a no-lye relaxer, and for that I have this ORS olive oil system here. It came with some really good stuff. I've got the relaxer and I've got the relaxer, I've got the activator. It came with some gloves and the little stick that you stir it with, and it also came with all these other like good little goodies that I'm excited to use on my own hair. I also have the motions relaxer. I use this on my hair when I relax my hair. I just saved that from last relaxer day. After I'm done with the experiment, I'm going to shampoo and blow dry each strand of hair, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to talk about how each strand of hair feels and which one feels better. Let's go ahead and get into the experiment. To come back before I blow dried the hair, because I was like, if I blow dry the hair, I might not be able to tell the difference between them when I blow dry them. So I wanted to come back. I hope you could see while I was doing it which one was getting it straight, which one was getting it straighter. And in my opinion, the lye relaxer processed straighter than the no-lye relaxer, and I'm gonna assume it's because it's just a stronger formula. Like I was mentioning earlier, this is the results of the lye relaxer. It's a lot straighter and stringier. So this is the results of the lye relaxer. I'll be right back after I blow dry these. I just want to test them out and see if one feels better than the other. I finished blow drying both sections of hair that we did our experiment on, and I have to say I'm a little bit surprised by the results. Let me just show you what I have. So this is the no-lye relaxer hair that we relaxed, and this is the piece of hair that I relaxed with the no-lye relaxer. So this one was relaxed with the lye relaxer, and this one was relaxed with the no-lye relaxer. Had to make sure I said that right. I expected the one that I use with motions to just like be better, look better, but actually I'm liking these results better than these results. And this is really eye-opening for me and has me questioning, do I want to use the motions relaxer anymore? I don't think I'm gonna go to a no-lye relaxer, but I think I might change the relaxer that I've been using from Motions. I've been wanting to change that relaxer for a while, but this relaxer just seems like very strong, and it left this hair like just, I don't know, almost stringy. Like I just don't really like the results of this one. I like the results of this one better, the ORS one. The hair is just more intact. It has more of its integrity to it. It's more cohesive, you know, like this one, it's like some straight pieces, some wavy pieces. Like it's not doing it for me. I am liking the ORS section of hair better. In my personal experience from using lye relaxers versus no lye relaxers, my hair felt better once I started using the lye relaxers. It was less dry. I noticed less breakage. I had less over processing, but I still think that I need to revisit the relaxer that I've been using. Have you been using a no-lye relaxer system, or have you been using a lye relaxer system? And if you've used both, which relaxer type have you gotten the best results from? Like I was saying, I personally have gotten better results from using lye relaxers, but the relaxer that I used to love, that I got just wonderful chef's kiss results from, was the Silk Elements Luxury Moisturizing Relaxer. I don't know if they don't make that anymore, or I don't know, but I think that and that's what made me fall in love with the lye relaxers, because after I used that one, my hair just felt completely different, and I could not go back to using a no-lye box relaxer system. But after seeing the results of this Motions one, like I said, it has me questioning, should I try a different one? Are there relaxers that are better than the Motions one? And I think there might be. I watch other few girls on here that have relaxed hair, and they use different relaxers, so I might try out another one. Like, I know Hairlicious, she said that she uses the Mazzani butter blend, and I think I've also seen her use the Affirm one, but she was saying that she didn't really like the Affirm one. So and her hair is beautiful, and I really enjoy her content as well. So I might try the Mazzani one, or just do some more research and see, you know, if I can find one that is better suited for me. But I definitely think I'm gonna be making a change from the Motions. Let me know which relaxer you think performed the best. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, which I hope you did. It was so much fun to make. Also, let me know what you want to see next. I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.